¿Cómo están? Bienvenidos a la clase de español del día de hoy. Bueno, vamos a empezar. ¿Qué nos dice este meme? Tienes razón, mamá. Leer es divertido. Pay attention to what she's reading. I think it's kind of funny. Look at the mom's face. Alright, put that on your warm-up and let's move on. So for some of you, hoy es miércoles el 17 de marzo, and for some of you, hoy es jueves el 18 de marzo. Para empezar, answer this question. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? So, let's figure that out. Answer that on your notes. Alright, our essential question today is, ¿qué te gusta comer? What do you like to eat? Alright, so we're going to talk about food again. We'll be talking about food for a little while, which always makes me hungry. Alright, so let's go. El desayuno o el almuerzo. So, in the previous class, we went over what desayuno means and el almuerzo means. So remember, desayuno is breakfast and el almuerzo is lunch. So think about what people usually eat for breakfast and for lunch. So this is talking about what generally people eat, right? So, well, yes, for example, you can have eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you want. Traditionally, we think of it as a breakfast food, right? Make a Venn diagram on a sheet of paper. You guys remember what a Venn diagram is, right? Those are the two circles that overlap in the middle. Making one side el desayuno and on the other side el almuerzo. Write the foods in the appropriate circle or in the commingled area. Some foods are going to be in the commingled area because, well, they go for both lunch and dinner. So here are the terms I want you to use if you want to add more on your own, by all means. So eggs, sausage, bacon, cereal, toast, hamburger, french fries, hot dog, a ham and cheese sandwich, a salad, strawberry yogurt, ham, bananas, apples, milk, cheese, and bread. And we've gone over all these terms already, so you should know what they are in Spanish. Look in your notes from the previous lesson. Alright, so pause here and take care of that task. Now let's go to the next one. ¿Qué bebes? So we talked about beber and comer, right? So beber means to drink. So here is the verb beber. So the yo form is yo bebo, the tú form tú bebes, de usted, él o ella form is bebe, de nosotros form is bebemos, and de ustedes, ellos, ellas form is beben, right? So, now let's see what this says. On your notes, make 3 columns with these headings. Todos los días, a veces, and nunca. So remember, todos los días is every day, a veces is sometimes, and nunca is never. Write the names of these beverages under the appropriate heading based on how often you drink them. So, you're going to make 3 columns. You're going to put lemonade, milk, coffee, orange juice, water, apple juice, and soda. Okay, for soda you can just use refrescos, but put them under which one? Like if you drink it every day, right? Like water, right? Would be under todos los días for me. A veces, I would put lemonade. I drink it sometimes. For nunca, I would put probably soda. I don't really drink soda, so nunca, right? And then write complete sentences telling how often you drink this. So, look at this example, right? Bebo limonada todos los días. I drink lemonade every day. Bebo leche a veces. I drink milk sometimes, right? And nunca bebo café. I never drink coffee. Obviously, those are not my examples because you guys know I drink coffee all the time. But use those to those sentences. So pause it here. Take care of that. ¿Qué comes? So now we go with the verb comer, right? Which is to eat. So if you look over here, we have the verb comer. So yo como, tú comes, usted, él, ella come, nosotros comemos, ustedes, ellos, ellas comen. So, because you're not in the classroom, if you're doing this online, instead of working with another partner, I want you to write down the conversation. Okay? So, what you're going to do is look at this. So, let's say over here it says cereal. So you would ask, ¿comes cereal? Do you eat cereal? Now, you're going to answer with your own personal thing, right? can say sí, como cereal todos los días. You can say no, nunca como cereal. You can say sí, como cereal a veces, right? It's gonna vary, right? Because we have bread, sopa de vegetales, ensalada de frutas, yogur de fresas, pan tostado, tocino, and sandwich de jamón y queso. So, go ahead and write your sentences, put this on your notes. Okay? And that is pretty much for today. So after these, please go and do your DOL. Okay? And I'll see you soon. Adios.